Welcome everyone. Today we're taking a detailed and practical look at the 2026 Honda SP125, a commuter motorcycle that continues Honda's reputation for reliability, efficiency, and smart everyday performance. This bike is designed for riders who want modern styling, low running costs, and dependable technology for daily city riding and short highway trips. Let's explore everything the 2026 SP125 brings to the table in detail. Body panel. The body panels of the 2026 Honda SP125 feature a sharp and modern design that gives the bike a premium look within the commuter segment. The sculpted side panels not only improve visual appeal but also help manage airflow and protect internal components from dust and debris. High-quality plastic and paint finishes ensure durability and long-lasting shine, even with daily use. Fuel tank design. The fuel tank is compact yet well-shaped, allowing comfortable knee grip for better control in traffic. Its design balances capacity with slim proportions, making the bike easy to handle in tight urban spaces. The tank graphics add a sporty touch while maintaining Honda's clean and understated styling. Front fender. The front fender is designed to minimize mud and water splash, keeping the rider and engine cleaner during rainy conditions. Its shape complements the overall design while offering practical protection for daily commuting. Headlight. The headlight features a modern LED unit that provides bright and focused illumination. This improves visibility during night rides and early morning commutes while consuming less power than traditional halogen lamps. The sleek housing enhances the bike's futuristic appearance. Taillight. The LED taillight ensures excellent visibility from the rear, making braking intentions clear to following traffic. Its sharp design integrates smoothly with the tail section, adding to the bike's modern look. Indicators. The indicators are positioned for maximum visibility and quick recognition by other road users. They are durable and designed to withstand daily wear and tear in busy traffic conditions. Seat design. The seat is long, well-cushioned, and designed for everyday comfort. It supports both rider and pillion comfortably, making daily commuting and short family rides more enjoyable. The seat height is accessible, allowing easy footing for riders of different heights. Riding ergonomics. The upright riding posture reduces strain on the back, wrists, and shoulders. This ergonomic setup is ideal for city riding, allowing riders to stay comfortable even during longer traffic-filled journeys. Handlebar position. The handlebar is wide enough to offer good leverage while maneuvering through congested streets. Its height and reach are carefully set to provide natural arm positioning and easy control. Foot peg placement. The foot pegs are placed to support a relaxed acknowledges. I must be careful with typos. Continue. Foot peg placement. The foot pegs are placed to support a relaxed riding position, reducing leg fatigue during long commutes. The pillion foot pegs are sturdy and well positioned for passenger comfort. Instrument cluster. The fully digital instrument cluster provides clear and detailed information such as speed, fuel level, real-time fuel efficiency, distance to empty, trip meters, and service reminders. The display is easy to read in both bright sunlight and low light conditions. Connectivity features. The SP125 includes Honda's smart connectivity features in select markets, allowing riders to access call and message alerts through a smartphone connection. This enhances convenience without distracting the rider. Engine type. The 2026 Honda SP125 is powered by a refined single-cylinder engine designed for efficiency and smooth performance. It delivers adequate power for city riding while maintaining excellent fuel economy. Fuel injection system. The advanced fuel injection system ensures precise fuel delivery for better throttle response, improved mileage, and lower emissions. It also helps the engine start smoothly in all weather conditions. Power delivery. The engine's power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it easy for new riders and comfortable for experienced commuters. Acceleration is tuned for city traffic, allowing quick overtakes when needed. Transmission. The manual transmission is smooth and easy to operate, with well-spaced gear ratios that suit urban riding conditions. Gear shifts are light, reducing rider fatigue during stop-and-go traffic. Clutch operation. The clutch is light and progressive, making it beginner-friendly and comfortable during frequent gear changes in city traffic. Frame structure. The lightweight frame contributes to the bike's agility and ease of handling. It provides stability at higher speeds while remaining nimble in tight spaces. Suspension setup. The front telescopic forks and rear shock absorber are tuned to absorb bumps and uneven road surfaces effectively. This setup ensures a comfortable ride even on rough city roads. Braking system. The braking system offers reliable stopping power with a front disc brake and rear drum or disc option depending on the variant. The brakes are responsive and easy to control. Combi braking system. The combi braking system distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels, improving stability during sudden stops. This feature enhances safety, especially for less experienced riders. Tires and grip. The tires provide good grip on both dry and wet surfaces. Their tread pattern is designed to ensure stability, confidence, and predictable handling during daily rides. Lighting technology. The all-LED lighting system improves visibility while reducing power consumption. It ensures the bike remains visible to other road users at all times. Electrical system. The electrical system is designed for reliability and efficiency, supporting modern features without compromising battery life. Battery performance. The maintenance-free battery ensures consistent starting performance and long-term durability, even with frequent daily use. Storage space. While the SP125 does not focus heavily on cargo, it offers small utility spaces and hooks for carrying light bags. These features add convenience for daily errands. Grab rail. The sturdy rear grab rail provides added comfort and safety for the pillion. It also serves as a mounting point for small luggage accessories. Mileage efficiency. One of the strongest points of the SP125 is its excellent fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting and long-term ownership. Pricing. The 2026 Honda SP125 is expected to be priced competitively within the commuter segment. Its pricing reflects the balance between advanced features, Honda reliability, and low running costs. Release date. The 2026 Honda SP125 is expected to be launched in late 2025 or early 2026, with availability depending on regional markets. 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R. Availability. For those interested in high-performance motorcycles, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R is expected to reach authorized dealerships between March and June 2026, depending on market allocation. Ending note. The 2026 Honda SP125 proves that a commuter motorcycle can be smart, stylish, and efficient without sacrificing reliability. It's built for riders who value practicality, low maintenance, and everyday comfort. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking for a dependable daily ride, the SP125 offers excellent value and peace of mind. If you found this detailed review helpful, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.